Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make motivational videos for the people who feel they are stuck in their own negativity in their own head. And if you are the one, then my channel is for you. So today I wanted to talk about lack, emptiness, and loneliness, what I have also lived and experienced in my life. And yesterday I realized that why am I always sad? Why am I always chasing after something? It can be the smallest thing in your life, like posting your photo on a social media. Like you are posting your picture, you are wearing something you want to show. So, what I realized about receiving compliment, showing your clothes, and um, praising yourself and wanting compliments, wanting praise, and all these things are human needs and are not bad. These things are actually not bad. We all need all these things. But when we start to depend on all these things, like, you know, inside I feel empty, I feel lonely. Inside, I constantly need reassurance from others to feel full, to feel whole, to, not see my own lackness, not see my own emptiness, not see my own loneliness. Even if I am making friends from this part which is still feeling lonely, empty, okay, I'm not gonna receive what I'm deserving of receiving in a friendship. That's what I realized, because I am attracting people in my life from that place of emptiness, loneliness, that I need this person in my life. I need this person to praise me, to be there for me, to love me, to always pick my calls, to always answer my texts. Now what will happen कि मैं उसे बहुत ही बड़े पेडिस्टल पे बिठा दूंगी. I will have high expectation from this person. Okay, this person should make me happy. वो मुझे खुश रखे, मुझे प्यार करे, blah blah blah. Then मेरे expectations ना इस person से बहुत high हो जाएंगे. And what happens कि हम सभी सारे expectations सभी की पूरी नहीं कर सकते हैं, because we are humans and we are not perfect. We are not meant to be perfect. So कभी ना कभी आप disappoint ज़रूर करोगे. ठीक है, एंड कभी ना कभी वो आपको डिसअपॉइंट ज़रूर करेंगे, और अगर वो आपको डिसअपॉइंट कर भी रहे हैं तो वो आपके उसी लैकनेस को ट्रिगर कर रहे हैं जिस लैकनेस से आपने उस पर्सन को अपनी लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट किया है. ओके, वो उसी लैकनेस को ट्रिगर कर रहे हैं जिस लैकनेस की वजह से यू आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू दैट पर्सन सो टाइटली, बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज मेकिंग यू फील समथिंग, that person is filling some kind of void in your life. you know this person is giving you something which you feel that you cannot give to yourself, and which you are attached to. You are so scared to show and express your true self and accept your true self, that you attracted this person in your life to fill that void, to fill that gap. For an example, like if you are a teacher, if you are so attached to the identity of being a teacher, that I am a teacher, and you shifted to this identity because you needed people to listen to you, you needed people to respect you, you needed people to follow you, to listen to your commands, and do what you say. Okay, because somewhere in your life you were not heard, nobody listened to you. Okay, and you want control in your life. So now you are a teacher, you opted this identity of a teacher from the place of lack. Okay, now you will attract students in your life, either who are gonna listen to you blindly, gonna have faith on you and will listen to you, will do everything what you will say. You will attract a lot of people who are attached to fears. Okay, and they are themselves are of scarcity mindset, that they need you all the time, they want you all the time, they are dependent on you all the time, and you feel good. You feel, oh my god, my this identity is receiving lots and lots of respect, and they need me. So I hold some value in their life because you don't value yourself. Okay. And if that student will stand against you for anything, or will not listen to you, will set any kind of boundary, your lack will get triggered. That person is triggering your lack. Okay. And then you will feel offended अपने स्टूडेंट के ऊपर कि उसने कुछ गलत किया है, जबकि मे बी उसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है, बट योर लैक इज गेटिंग ट्रिगर्ड. Okay, that how this person is not respecting me, not valuing me, not listening to me. They should listen to me, they should value me, they should trust what I'm bringing to the table, they should trust my knowledge. But deep down, you are not looking within yourself that why you are so affected. कि आपको इतना बुरा क्यों लग रहा है, क्योंकि ये पर्सन आपकी लाइफ में किसी वर्ड को फिल कर रहा था, ये पर्सन आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ ला रहा था जो आप खुद को नहीं दे सकते, या फिर इस पर्सन के थ्रू, इन स्टूडेंट्स के थ्रू आपको वैलिडेशन मिल रहा था, आपको रिस्पेक्ट मिल रहा था. तो अगर ये लोग आपको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे रहे हैं या फिर आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं, तो आपकी वो आइडेंटिटी थ्रेटेंड फील कर रही है कि क्यों नहीं सुन रहे हैं, मुझे सुनना चाहिए. ओके. एंड यू वांट टू कंट्रोल, you are not you don't want to let go of the control. So this is what I have seen and experienced, and within myself also. This because ever since I was a child, when I was writing, I was journaling, I realized this one thing, that ever since I was a child, and I remember myself of doing something and being something and shifting identities to identities, I realized that I have been shifting identities all my life till now. Okay, because somewhere I felt that my true self felt lack, my true felt self empty, my true self felt lonely, not seen, not heard, not understood. So I suppressed that true self somewhere deep down, and I started to shift identities. Okay, I will become whatever people are gonna accept me for. A good daughter who goes to the temple, wakes up in the morning, do puja, wear Indian clothes. A daughter जिसके स्कूल में अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, भले ही ना आए, भले वो मार्क्स चेंज करके दिखा दे, ठीक है. स्कूल में she'll become class monitor. Okay, because this identity is praised by teacher, and she is praised for that, even though she doesn't want to be that. She wants to go and dance and break rules and be naughty, have fun, and सारे rules उसे follow नहीं करने हैं, but she will become this because because teachers are praising her for that. Then she'll become this girl who wears amazing clothes, because now she is praised for wearing clothes. Again, lack. Now every time she is buying clothes, she is not buying clothes for herself to from the place of fulfillment, that I don't need others to praise me for wearing clothes. If they praise me, that's good, because I wear good clothes, and it's a good thing, and I love it. No, but now her identity, her life is dependent on wearing good clothes, because she's praised for that. So she will go to the market and she will buy clothes regressively, and she will wear clothes so that people will notice her, People are gonna praise her. Now she's praised for her beauty. Now she's scared. What if I lose? I. What if I age? Now people are not gonna accept me. People are not gonna like me. People will not praise me. People will not love me. People will not notice me. Now she will shift her identity to this savior person who saves and fixes everyone, this fixer. Now she will attract everyone into her reality who will depend on her, who will need her all the time. Now she's needed all the time. People are noticing her, needing her, wanting her. Her identity is dependent on being a fixer, again from lack. I am not good enough. Nobody sees me. Nobody notices me. Nobody wants me. I don't belong anywhere. I feel empty within. So now I attracted everyone in my life from the place of that lackness. Sorry, that I feel empty. I feel this void. I feel this lack. To fill this lack, I will shift to this identity of being a fixer, being a savior, so that now everyone who's in my reality, whom I manifested and attracted into my reality, are leaning on me too much. They need me all the time. They are not capable of making any decisions on by themselves, and I feel good. Okay, they need me for everything. They want me for everything. And I'm needed and wanted all the time. And the moment आपका ये आइडेंटिटी कोई भी अगर थ्रेटन करता है, कोई भी अगर आपको वो नीडीनेस एंड वो फील नहीं कराता दैट दे नीड यू, दे वांट यू और दे वांट टू डिपेंड ऑन यू, you will feel the lack again. जबकि यूनिवर्स आपके सामने वो लैक सामने परोस के रख रहा है, देखो ये लैक है जहाँ से तुमने अपनी रियलिटी क्रिएट की हुई है एंड यू डोंट लाइक इट. डीप डाउन यू फील एग्जॉस्टेड. You also want to depend on someone, you also want to lean on to someone, but you are not able to, because you are not because subconsciously you are not allowing yourself to, because you are living in lack that with this identity I'm safe. And then you can shift your identity to being a good dancer. Oh my god, I'm a good dancer, I'm praised for it, I need to work for it. My whole identity depends on being a good dancer who learns, who makes mistakes, who then again stands up and then learn and who do so much of hard work and all these things. Okay, then you shifted your identity to being a daughter. Okay, now everyone is praising me for being this amazing daughter who takes care of her parents, of sister also, of their brothers and family, and everyone is praising her, liking her. Everyone is telling everyone that look at her, you should be like her, you should do like her, you should learn from her. Now your identity depends on being a sister and a daughter. And there is nothing wrong with any of these identities unless and until you are not shifting your identities from the place of lack, from the place of emptiness, from the place that I'm not enough, I'm not good enough, my true self is not good enough, my true self feels empty. And I'm telling you my own life experience. Like when I studied in a private school, I think till 5th class. And in my private school, I was, they teach you in English, and then I was good in English. Then I was shifted to this government school. I started to study, I think, आई थिंक 6th क्लास से मैंने गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में किया एंड वो हिंदी मीडियम था. ओके, even though my English is not that fluent, I learned it बोल बोल के, एंड अभी भी उतनी फ्लुएंट नहीं है, एंड अब मुझे बोलते हुए शर्म नहीं आती, बट पहले मेरी आइडेंटिटी इसी पे बनी हुई थी. सो आई मेट दिस टीचर हुज नेम इज़ चारुलता. ओके. एंड वो इंग्लिश कह रही हूँ, वो इंग्लिश की टीचर थी. ओके. एंड शी ओनली एंड ओनली लव्ड मी because I came from this private school, an English medium school, and I was good in English. I used to talk थोड़े बहुत English के words, that's it. Nothing. And I was a child. I'm telling you, such a child I was. Then my that identity of she can talk in इंग्लिश, जबकि एक दो लाइन ही बस, ठीक है. ग्रामर नॉर्मल मेरी इतनी अच्छी है नहीं, ग्रामर में मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. मेरे सामने ग्रामर की बुक रख दो, मुझे कुछ नहीं आएगा, मेरे पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ती है ग्रामर. लेकिन वहाँ पे माई आइडेंटिटी बिकेम दिस गर्ल who's come from this English medium school and who can talk in English. Even though I won the debate in English, I think मैं सेकंड आई थी, बट उसके लिए मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया था. वो एक पैराग्राफ को कम से कम 10 दिन बोल बोल के. बट आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट कि मैंने वो फियर के बाद भी सबके सामने, उस स्टैमरिंग के बाद भी खड़े होके मैंने बोला, एंड मैं जीती. इट वॉज अमेजिंग. बट अगेन माई आइडेंटिटी डिपेंडेड ऑन दैट गर्ल जो प्राइवेट स्कूल से आई है, जिसको इंग्लिश बोलना आता है. और जैसे ही, और बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्टैमरिंग, जैसे ही मैम क्लास में आने वाली होती थी, आई यूज टू फील शिवर्स कि अब मुझे शिवरिंग हो रही है. अब मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करूँगी, क्या मैं पढ़ भी पाऊँगी. अगर उन्होंने मुझे रीडिंग के लिए बोल दिया तो अब मेरा क्या होगा. वो मुझे अगर कुछ उन्होंने रीडिंग के लिए बोला और मैं नहीं पढ़ पाई, मैं अगला गई, मैं किसी लाइन में अटक गई, तो शी विल नॉट लाइक मी, शी विल नॉट प्रेज मी, शी विल नॉट लव मी, शी विल नॉट appreciate me, she'll not need me, she'll not want me. So my true self never felt that she's good enough. And that one identity, I spent my whole school year, जब तक मैं वहाँ से पास आउट होके नहीं निकल गई, in fear. What if she comes and she asks me to read the book and I'm not able to read the book? She's not gonna love me. And trust me, it's not easy for me to share because my identity depended on this Priyanka, this version of Priyanka. And I was always so ashamed of telling people and scared of telling people that, okay, listen, I might not be able to read fluently in English and the big words because I'm not able to actually understand them. Is it okay? And my true self felt shame, empty and lack. और फिर मान लीजिए मेरी वो आइडेंटिटी है, ठीक है, जिसमें मैं प्राइवेट स्कूल से आई हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल से आई हूँ, मुझे फ्लुएंटली पढ़ने आती है, मैं ना स्टैमर करती हूँ, मैं ग्रामर में बहुत अच्छी हूँ, जो इमेज उनके दिमाग में थी मेरी और जो मैं खुद के लिए बनाना चाहती थी, जबकि मैं वो नहीं थी. ठीक है. अब ये सामने वाला बंदा मेरे पास कोई आया है, ये मेरी आइडेंटिटी है. प्रियंका, गुड इन इंग्लिश, गुड इन ग्रामर, शी कैन रीड फ्लुएंटली, शी कैन स्पीक फ्लुएंटली इन इंग्लिश, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स इज लाइक्ड बाय हर. Now this person came into my reality and this person is facing me and this person can see that Priyanka is not so good in English. She is not so good in grammar. She stammers. She have this stammering thing. So now this identity will feel lack. Again, पहले तो फियर फील होगा कि ओ माई गॉड, दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट गुड, दिस पर्सन इज़ ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग टू मी, दिस पर्सन इज़ अ थ्रेट टू मी. इफ दिस पर्सन कम्स इन टू माई लाइफ, इफ दिस पर्सन succeeds in revealing any parts of me, related to this identity, then I am done. I will be finished. Nobody will like me, nobody will want me, nobody will want to talk to me, nobody will be friends with me, nobody will want to have any kind of relationship with me, nobody will love me. What this identity will do, rather than integrating this part, just integrate it, feel it, Okay, rather than pushing it away, feel it. Okay, and accept it. Show that you are not this. ये करने की बजाय ये पार्ट क्या करेगा, विल ट्राई टू पुश दिस पार्ट अवे, पुश दिस पर्सन अवे हु इज मिररिंग lackness of this part, truth of this part. ओके इसके ऊपर पत्थर फेंकने स्टार्ट करेगा, इसको मे बी इसके बारे में बिचिंग करना स्टार्ट करेगा, इसको लोगों के सामने बुरा बनाना स्टार्ट करेगा, लोगों को ये महसूस कराएगा कि दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट गुड, डू नॉट लिसन टू दिस पर्सन. और इस पर्सन की जो स्ट्रेंथ है, जो इस पार्ट की वीकनेस है, उसको टारगेट करना स्टार्ट करेगा कि कहीं ना कहीं इसको अनवर्दी फील हो, इसका सेल्फ इस्टीम कम हो जाए. एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी ऑल डू. बिकॉज जो आइडेंटिटीज़ हमने अपना रखी हैं फ्रॉम द प्लेस ऑफ लैक, मे बी दैट आइडेंटिटी इज़ नॉट who we truly are or who we truly want to be. मैंने आपको एक एग्जाम्पल बताया है, ऐसे बहुत एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, मैंने आपको अपनी लाइफ का एग्जाम्पल बताया है. टुडे मे बी आई एम गुड इन इंग्लिश 50% बट नॉट 50%. और मेरी ये कोई नेशनल लैंग्वेज नहीं है, ना ही मुझे बोलते हुए आज शेमफुल फील हो रहा है, बिकॉज टुडे आई एम एक्सेप्टेड. Today, because one day I just told people, I just am not so good in English. Can I just speak in Hindi? Is it okay? And I was still accepted for it. Because I showed this courage कि no, I'm done, I'm not this person. I cannot live in this fear all the time. I don't want to live in this fear all the time. Rather than pushing this person away, pushing this shadow away of me, pushing this truth away of me, let me just integrate it. Because even though this part was praised by that teacher, still that part felt empty. This part needed validation all the time, assurance all the time. Tell me that I am good. Am I good enough? Am I good enough? Do you still love me? Do you still like me? Am I still needed? Am I still okay? Do I need to change something about myself? Tell me, because this part is fake. Just a cover. This part is not real. It's not who I am. So this part needed to be praised constantly. That just praise her all the time. Likewise, when we feel this void, when we feel that my true self is not good enough, or my true self is too much, my true self is too much for other people, that they feel threatened by it, so I will not be this too much. I will never be this too much. I will never, make anyone feel uncomfortable around me, so that I feel included, I feel loved, I have friends, I have people around me. Because you have fear of shining in your own light. So when we create anything in life from the place of lack, even if you are creating any kind of business, okay, even if you are even if you are attracting followers on your Instagram, even if you are posting your picture on Instagram, even if you are sharing anything on Instagram to people, to anyone, even if you are sharing any knowledge, even if you are doing spiritual work, even if you are doing healing work, even if you are healing your inner child, anything, if you are doing from the place of lack, that I feel empty, my true self is not good enough, so I will become this self-aware person. I will become this spiritual person. I'll become this person who's healer, who knows everything, so that I feel safe enough. Okay, because somewhere you feel that only your this identity can receive love, can receive attention, can receive appreciation, can receive encouragement, because somewhere you feel scared to express your true self. You hold this shame and guilt and rage and all these lower emotions. And trust me, there is nothing bad. When I say lower emotion, doesn't mean that if you feel all these things, you are any less than anybody else who don't feel it, who have passed through it. ओके, बिकॉज हम सभी को ये चीज़ें फील होती हैं और बहुत ही नॉर्मल है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम जितना रियल होते हैं, जितना हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि मुझे जलन हो रही है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन मुझे इसके ऊपर वर्क करना है. एक तो आपने एक्सप्रेस किया कि मुझे जलन हो रही है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, विच इज़ गुड. यू एक्नॉलेज कि आपको हो रही है. हम कभी कभी वो ही नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, हम डिनाइल में रहते हैं कि नहीं, मुझे तो जलन हो ही नहीं सकती है, मुझे तो जेलिसी होती ही नहीं है, मेरे में तो जेलिसी है ही नहीं, मैं जेलिसी से बहुत परे हूँ, मेरे अंदर जेलिसी नहीं है. दिस इज़ नॉट गुड एंड आई एक्चुअली डोंट लाइक इट एंड आई ऑल्सो यूज टू डू दैट अ लॉट. जबकि मुझ में खुद में भी है and I'm really working on it. I ask myself every time I feel jealous, I use it. Okay, tell me, where do you feel lack? Where do you feel empty? तुम्हारे किस लैकनेस को ये पर्सन मिरर बैक कर रहा है? तुम्हारी कौन से लैक को ये पर्सन तुम्हारे सामने लाके खड़ा कर रहा है? वर्क ऑन इट. ओके, सो लाइक मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. मैं प्रियंका हूँ. आज मैं अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ. ठीक है, एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि यूनिवर्स मुझे ये सारे लेसन्स दे रहा है. उन्हें पता है कि मैं कब किस चीज़ के लिए रेडी होंगी ना. मैं यूनिवर्स को फोर्स करना चाहती हूँ. मैंने ये सीखा है कि अगर यूनिवर्स मुझे वेट करवा रहा है, जो कि बहुत टफ लेसन है एंड मैं अभी भी अपने आप को ये बताती रहती हूँ, तो ज़रूर इसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होगा, जो मुझे रोज़ रियलाइज़ होता है अब कि अगर मैं एक साल पहले सो अगर आज से एक साल पहले मैं अपना कोई भी काम स्टार्ट करती, मैं कुछ भी करना स्टार्ट करती, आई यूज टू डू ओनली फॉर द वैलिडेशन, ओनली फॉर द assurance. My life was dependent on different identities which I have built around me. This strong girl, this pretty girl, this beautiful girl who wear beautiful clothes, who's hyper independent, who's courageous, who don't need anyone, who's spiritual, okay, who knows all these spiritual things, and yeah, all these things. And I constantly needed validation for all these things because somewhere deep down I felt lack. Just still feel, but I'm working on it. I felt that I'm not good enough. That, I'm not deserving of love. I'm not deserving of love the way I am. I'm not deserving of receiving love. That I'm too much. I cannot depend on anyone. I cannot rely on anyone. I cannot. Dependency not in a form of unhealthy, but healthy dependency भी अच्छी होती है. That जब आपको depend होना होता है उस टाइम पे अगर आप depend अपने आप को होने दे रहे हो, there is nothing wrong in it. But I still don't understand the डेप्थ ऑफ इट. बट ऊपर ऊपर से नाउ आई रियलाइज दैट कभी कभी अपने आप को डिपेंड होने देना बुरी चीज़ नहीं होती है, इफ इट इज़ नॉट कमिंग फ्रॉम द प्लेस ऑफ वूंड कि आई नीड दिस डिपेंडेंसी, इसके बिना तो मेरी लाइफ कुछ है ही नहीं. दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. बट इफ़ यू आर हर्ट, इफ़ यू आर सिक, उस टाइम पे अगर आप किसी पे डिपेंड हो रहे हो, रिलाय हो रहे हो, लीन ऑन हो रहे हो, देर इज़ नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट. That is, you feel that you are deserving of that care. Okay, so where I was, so I always needed that, like my Instagram photos, follow me, I have this much followers. if I'm posting any stories, कितने लोगों ने देखा, कितने लोगों ने लाइक किया, अच्छा इन्होंने लाइक किया, now they like me in this version, they like me when I write these specific things, they like me when I post these types of videos, they like me when I wear these types of clothes, they like me when I post these types of photos, they like me when I talk like this, they like me when I walk like this, they like me when I sit like this, they like me when I do this, they like me with this courage, with this independence, with this strength, with this confidence, they like me like this, they like me like that. I was so exhausted. I was not being myself. I was not myself at all. And because I was being all these things from the place of lack, from the place of emptiness, from the place of void, okay, from the place of gap which I wanted to fill, okay, always wanted to be accepted. Okay, now my this version will be accepted, now my this version will finally be accepted forever, now my this version will be praised by everyone, now my this version will be liked by everyone. And the moment I received any form of rejection, okay, for doing that, for being that, I felt, oh my god, I'm doing so much for this person, I'm being so courageous for this person, and this person is rejecting me. How can they do that? I'm doing so much spiritual and healing work so that this person finally accepts me and sees me in my own light and sees that I'm a good person. I'm working on myself. I am doing all these healing work and spiritual work and all these things. And still, this person is not understanding me, not praising me, not following me, not respecting me. My identity felt threatened because maybe I didn't wanted to do that. I was doing that from the place of lack. सेम तरीके से अगर आप उस लैक के स्पेस से कुछ भी स्टार्ट करते हो, ठीक है, इवन दो अगर वो सक्सेसफुल हो भी जाता है, लेकिन आप हमेशा थ्रेटेंड फील करोगे कि कहीं कुछ सच्चाई बाहर ना आ जाए, कहीं वो आइडेंटिटी थ्रेटेंड ना हो जाए, ठीक है, कहीं कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. एंड यू विल ऑलवेज फील एम्प्टी, यू विल ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट एम्प्टीनेस. आप उसी लैक को बार बार अट्रैक्ट करोगे जिस लैक से आपने वो चीज़ स्टार्ट की है. आप उसी फियर को, उसी डर को, उसी एम्प्टीनेस को, उसी हॉलोनेस को, उसी ग्रीफ को, उसी पेन को अट्रैक्ट करोगे बार बार अपनी रियलिटी में, भले ही वो चीज़ सक्सेसफुल हो जाए. And you will constantly be in the place of fear, in the space of fear. You will always feel fearful कि कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, मेरी कुछ कोई सच्चाई बाहर ना आ जाए जो मैं खुद एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, जिससे मैं खुद ही दूर भाग रही हूँ. क्यों वो मुझे सामने वाले दिखा रहे हैं जो मैं खुद ही एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही, जिसके साथ मैं खुद ही नहीं बैठ रही, जिसको मैंने खुद ही गंदा मान के बैठा हुआ है. लोग मुझे क्यों दिखा रहे हैं वो आईना बार बार, जिसे मैंने खुद ही तोड़ा हुआ है, जो मैं खुद ही नहीं देखना चाहती हूँ. तो जब तक हम उस लैक को आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते, जब तक हम उस लैक को, आई नॉट से आइडेंटिफाई, एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, तब तक आप खुश नहीं रह पाओगे. एंड टुडे व्हेन आई वाज वॉकिंग आई रियलाइज कि आई आस्क्ड गॉड व्हाई एम आई नॉट able to be happy in this very moment? Why am I always in lack? Why am I always feeling sad? Why am I always trying to be in rush and compete and do something and achieve something? I think God told me that, Priyanka, you're not able to be happy because you are in lack. Because you think because somewhere deep down you are not grateful for what you have right now, even though you feel that you are grateful, but you are not able to see the blessings in your life. You are not able to accept yourself the way you are. You always trying to be someone else. You feel you need to be like this, you need to be like that, you need to achieve that, you need to do that, you need to do this, you need to do that to be accepted, to be happy. Because right now you feel you are not good enough, because right now in this very moment you are not accepting yourself fully. You are rejecting yourself. You don't see yourself, worthy of receiving love. In this very moment you don't see yourself that you are good enough to receive love. You feel you are not good enough to receive love. You feel that you need to be this big business woman, which is my dream, and I, trust me, don't want to do it from the place of lack now, and who's earning so much of money, who have so much, who's traveling, and who's so confident, so courageous, and wearing good clothes, buying good clothes, buying from good brands, big brands, have all the mates and all the good friends. You feel that you will be good enough when you will be that version of yourself. And the moment you see someone who's not working the way you are working to reach there, and them still having and experiencing love, being loved, receiving everything by doing half the work that you are doing, you feel in lack. You feel jealous. You feel how this person can receive all these things. I'm doing so much of work, I'm doing so much of healing, I'm doing so much of inner work. How this person can receive it? And you feel lack. And then you feel I'm again not good enough. You feel resentful, you feel hate, you feel angry, you don't want to talk to that person. And then I was like, yes, this has been my reality. That that जब भी मैं किसी ऐसे को देखती हूँ who is not doing as much as I am doing, and still being loved, being supported, they are leaning on to people, people are loving them, people are being there for them, they are having everything in their life, I feel this lack. Okay, I'm not good enough. I feel jealous. I feel bad कि इतना करने के बाद मुझे नहीं मिला तो इसको कैसे मिल सकता है. मैं इतना स्पिरिचुअल वर्क कर रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं मिला. इसने तो कोई भी स्पिरिचुअल वर्क नहीं किया, इसको कैसे मिल गया. इसको तो कोई भी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस नहीं है, इसको कैसे मिल गया. इसको नहीं मिलना चाहिए. लैक. Because in this very moment, Priyanka, you feel that you are not deserving of love. You deep down you hate yourself. You hate the parts of yourself, and you are ashamed of, and you are extremely controlling towards your own self. You are extremely controlling towards your own self in a way that you don't allow yourself to enjoy, to laugh, to dance, to do what you love. You are controlling yourself the way you were controlled maybe when you were a child. That sit properly, don't dance like that, eat like that, be like that, sleep like that, sleep दिस टाइम पे, इस टाइम पे उठ जाओ, ये खाना खाओ, ये पहनो, उधर जाओ, ऐसे मत हंसो, वैसे मत बोलो, इस टाइम पे टीवी देखो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. एंड मे बी यू वर टोल्ड दैट डोंट लाफ टुडे बिकॉज आज हंसने से कल तुम्हें खुशी नहीं मिलेगी. वर्क हार्ड, डू हार्ड, अचीव दिस, अचीव दैट, बी लाइक दिस, एंड अच्छे स्कोर्स लाओ, अच्छे ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनो, ऐसे करके रहो, वैसे करके रहो, ऐसे मत हंसो, वैसे मत हंसो. आज हंसने से कुछ नहीं होगा, खेलने से कुछ नहीं होगा, एंजॉय करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. 10 साल 20 साल तुमने मेहनत कर ली तो फिर पूरी ज़िंदगी तुम्हें खुशी मिलेगी. यू आर बीइंग द सेम पेरेंट टू योर सेल्फ. एंड आई रियलाइज मे बी येस, मेरे सामने जब भी कोई ऐसा इंसान आता है, हु इज़ नॉट दैट अवेयर, who's not that awakened, who's not that, you know, yeah, self aware, but they are free. They allow themselves to make mistakes, they allow themselves to laugh, to sit like whatever they, however they want to sit, they wear whatever they want to wear, and they're still loved and accepted. I feel lack. I used to feel this extreme jealous, and I used to feel bad कि I am being this perfect Priyanka. I am perfect. Oh my god, I'm so perfect. I'm so aware. Okay? I'm so spiritual. Okay? I'm doing so many spiritual work, so many spiritual courses and all these things and do and sadhanas and everything. I with respect to my sadhanas. Uh, Still I'm not loved. And somewhere or the other, I also control the other person who's in front of me the way I was controlled, and I control myself, and I blame them to be themselves, and I saw my own darkness in front of my eyes. Ki you have been doing this and you are capable of doing this, because trust me, today I realize that anyone is capable of doing anything. The moment we start to identify this, Shivangi make me aware, anytime you identify yourself with this being a good person who's not capable of doing any bad things, it is just an illusion. You are living in the bubble, because we all are capable of doing anything. It's just that we have suppressed that part and we don't want to see our own darkness. That's it. But today I accepted that we all are capable of doing everything. Even I am capable of doing anything, and I've done so much. But today I want to accept it rather than suppressing, denying and being ashamed. Today I accept it. Yeah, I hold this darkness and I've done so much. But now I want to change it. I want to release this control, this lackness that I'm not good enough. So everything I'm attracting in my reality is from that lack, that emptiness. एंड बैकग्राउंड में मैं खुद को कंट्रोल कर रही हूँ, अपने हर एस्पेक्ट को कंट्रोल कर रही हूँ. सो या आई फील जब भी मैं गॉड से बात करती हूँ ना, तो वो मुझे रिप्लाई ज़रूर करते हैं. और मुझे हर मॉर्निंग नेचर में, मुझे जब भी कोई रियलाइजेशंस होती है ना, आई लव टू वॉक इन नेचर. एंड मुझे ट्रीज़ को देखना, चिड़ियों की आवाज़ सुनना, जो आजकल प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहने के लिए टास्क बताते हैं ना, मुझे वो सब कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं नेचर में वॉक करती हूँ, मैं अपने आप प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में आ जाती हूँ. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी मैं नेचर में वॉक करते हुए गॉड से कुछ भी पूछती हूँ ना, तो वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो डायरेक्टली वन ऑन वन मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं. वो डायरेक्टली मुझे बता रहे हैं कि देखो तुम्हारी ये गलती थी, तुम ये कर रही हो, तुम ये ठीक करो. And now I've started to humbly accept it. Ki, yes, I have been doing this. I've been extremely controlling towards my own self. I've been trying to rush my healing journey, rush my healing, and from the place of lack, emptiness, and loneliness. That if I'll be totally healed, then I can have all these things in my life, because I cannot start anything or start receiving anything, start having anything with this version of myself. This version of myself is bad, incomplete. I can only have things if I become that which I have envisioned, seen in my imagination, in my meditation. So, yeah, I will tell you all, guys, that start accepting yourself, start releasing control. The way you are controlling yourself, start releasing that. Okay? And do not feel that you are not deserving of love the way you are right now. I know it's not easy, but आपको ये रियलाइज़ ज़रूर होगा कभी ना कभी, एंड आई होप कि आपको ये हो कि बिकॉज़ मुझे पता है कि मेरे ये बोलने से आपको ये फ़ील या फिर रियलाइज़ नहीं होने वाला, लेकिन मे बी मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस से, मेरी स्टोरीज़ से आपको लगे कि आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट judge ourselves the way we judge ourselves so harshly. And we should not hate ourselves so much the way we were hated. Okay. And from the place of unconditional love, I'm sending my unconditional love and prayers to you all. I hope and I pray that you start to believe in your own light and you start to believe in your own potential while accepting yourself the way you are right now. Because we all are deserving of love. I am deserving of love the way I am, even though my mind is rejecting it, but I will keep on telling myself every day. First thing I wake up in the morning, I tell myself, looking into the mirror, I am deserving of love the way I am. Stop telling me that I am not deserving of love. Okay, practice that. And on this note, I will see you all guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. I love you all. If you think that my channel and my video and my content is helping you, then to share with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to me. Bye.